This is a thing. You may be thinking, what could that be? And the answer is, I have no freaking idea. It is a light show.
Right, it's a rocket.
Look at this
going
creepy
the
ass
other
music
direction.
going on in the background and you're not even acknowledging it? Come on.
Okay, well that's a UFO.
I mean, we can't identify it, so technically you're right.
It's an it's not a flying object, it's just an object that's in
There is a light poking out of
Wait,
the
what's
sky.
that thing? Whoa, what's
No,
that bright
it's
light?
God's wrath. Holy crap.
Shit, now there's something else going after it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right.
Say hi, plane. Hey,
Sorry.
say hi,
No,
God.
it's
Say
fading.
hi, God.
Thank you, Ari. I thought you were right.
It's
It was
fading.
a plane. I thought it was something.
Fading light
A
remix.
defense fighter jet going out to get him.
Wait, no, it's moving.
It's moving.
No, it's actually moving. It was there, now it's there.
Alright, that was
What
crazy.
the
That is a rocket ship.
fuck?
What the hell would a rocket be blasting off out of Pleasanton?
Maybe it's Team Rocket.
Dude, that's not where Lawrence Livermore Labs is.
It's that way.
Well, that plane knows something is up.
Yeah, I'm
God's
not sure.
light.
What do you think this other plane's doing? Is that just a plane?
Documenting it?
Should we be in watching
Wait,
the news?
Should we get closer?
Shush.
You know where it came out of? It might have come out of that nuclear power plant over there.
This,
Whoa.
This is an origin story right here.
Whoa!
That is insane.
Whoa, do you see that?
What?
The friggin' tail fins.
That's nuts. What the hell is that thing?
When the light opens up in the city. I know I probably shouldn't be in a joking mood because this is really cool, but like... What the fuck?
SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket is scheduled to launch into orbit at 7:21 p.m. That was
It's 7:28.
That's a SpaceX rocket? Well, where did it come out of?
Holy shit!
Is that a SpaceX rocket?
That's a SpaceX rocket.
Holy